I'm better on camera. I don't know. The camera's lying to you. I don't look like this. What's good, you guys? It's me, Becca Lynn, and today is many days past when I filmed the video because I completely forgot to do my intro, so pretty quick what I'm doing. In this video, I did a test run of my look for my Halloween party, and then I took you around my house and showed you all of the decorations I did for my party, which you're getting a little bit of a sneak peek right now, and then I filmed some stuff at the party, so it's pretty much just an amalgamation of getting ready for my party and then my party. But here you go. I hope you still enjoy the video. Hi. This is me before. So we're dressing up as the White Rabbit. First, I have to fix this wig up because I got this off of Amazon. No, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. I just need to fix the bangs a little bit, probably brush it out, play around with it a little bit. I really want it to like not look like a literal Halloween wig. Get ready for me to look silly. I've never worn a wig before, just so everybody knows. I still don't know if I'm doing it exactly right, but that's why I'm testing this whole thing out. I don't know if I explained this at all, but I am throwing a Halloween party. I just started doing this last year because I got my house last year. This year, I've been living here for almost a year now, and I wanted to do a theme. So I am doing Alice in Wonderland, if you couldn't guess, from my costume. So I'm really decking out the whole house. The hallway right now, I know you see that, it's very dark and bland, but I will be showing you the whole house. But I need to test out my outfit. This is the middle. And this is how you wear it, and I'm done. Guys, this is not a wig tutorial, okay? Like I said, never worn a wig before this. This feels like it's not far back enough on my head, but I can literally see my hairline, so that's what makes me not sure about this whole thing. I mean, I have the bangs, so I think it's okay. Should I brush it off first, I guess? Do I brush this out? I think I'm supposed to brush it out. I don't know how to cut hair. I'm just gonna go for it. Don't let my hairdresser see this. I really hope I don't mess this up. Also can confirm, wigs are itchy. I look so dumb. Oh my god. Let's make this middle part a little shorter. You know what? We're getting there. It's already looking better. Can I put heat on this? I don't think so. Like, can I blow dry it though? Alright, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wet the bangs. And I'm gonna try using a roller, because this is how I do my actual bangs. Let's do this. Let's do this. Can't wait to not look dumb in this. I'm gonna like cut some more face framing pieces, and then I will maybe put a little blow dryer on that. See if that does something. I don't know. I'm just gonna go like that. I'm so scared. Did that make any difference? I don't know. Let me just do it to the other side. I'm gonna try to style it a little more because I know we're here more for the makeup, and I'm gonna come back. I think it's a little better. I brushed it out, and I like definitely think that did a lot. So I think I'm gonna start the makeup now. I have a reference photo that I really like, and I want to try and recreate it. This could be a crazy mess, but that's why we're trying it. I'm gonna put on some primer. We're gonna hope that that helps. And I'm gonna assume that I have to use like a sponge to put this on. It's my first year. Oh, it comes with a sponge. Wait, let me put on eyeshadow primer too. I don't even know if primer actually works, guys. Like, is anyone even using primer anymore? All right, I guess I'm just gonna go straight in with the powder. This is literally like maybe $1 or $2 from Walmart. Is this supposed to? Hello? Okay. You know what I just realized? Should I cover my acne? I'm gonna put a little concealer on the red parts of my face. I don't know if that's what I should do, but I'm doing it. Not trying to make it perfect. Honestly, this is just like a test run. This is actually an awful sponge. I think I might just get my beauty blender. This might take me a second because it looks like it's barely... I know in this camera, it actually really looks like it. In real life, it doesn't. All right, I guess I'll come back after I'm done powdering my face to the gods. I look ridiculous. It's so crazy how different it looks on the camera than it does in real life. I promise you it does not look that white. And it's also very patchy. Though it's a little smoother over here, and this is where I put the concealer, so I'm thinking like maybe if I just do a base of concealer, it'll be maybe a little more even. I'm gonna try and do the eyes. And she's got like this like pinkish red eyeshadow all around it. So you have a Too Faced Just Peachy palette. So I'm gonna try and use that. I'll start with Peaches and Cream. You could see how used this is. It's also quite old and definitely past its expiration date. So I'm just gonna put it all over my lid, I guess. I look terrifying. Okay. I'm just gonna go in with the Peach Punch. I don't like that there's like this line right here and it wasn't like bringing the white up that high. That's okay. Again, this is a test. Testing everything out. I hope this is a fun, different video than what I usually do. The ghost hunting. This time I'm showing you how crazy I look. I might even do this one more time for the party. Just to make sure. I don't wanna look dumb. I wanna look hot. I want to look hot. Probably should bring it down a little bit so I don't look crazy. It just like cuts off white. Not that I'm that crazy of a difference. It's still pretty patchy. It's okay. I have a week. I still have a week. It's okay. I can fix it. I'm gonna leave it like that for now. We're doing my nose. So I'm gonna use the lighter color. I'm gonna contour my nose. Like a little bunny rabbit. I'm gonna use this color from this Maybelline Nudes palette. I might be crazy. We're gonna try and go really light with it. Going back with the Peach Punch. Might punch myself in the face when I hate it. Okay. I kind of hate this. Now, I guess I'll do the lips. I have it somewhere. I just have to find it. I found it. It's just the NYX Professional Makeup Lip Liner. I'm using the mauve color. This is like an everyday color for me. But because I'm so pale right now, I think it'll go well. I don't know. Gonna use this to fill it in. I don't look hot. Okay, let's keep going. There's a line connecting. It's crooked. It's okay. Here's where I maybe do some crazy stuff. I'm gonna put the white eyeliner on this brush and I'm gonna brush it through my eyebrows. I would like no one to yell at me. Thank you very much. Yeah, nice. I'm not mad at that. I have a bigger struggle ahead of me though. So just wait a minute. So I walked past my other mirror in the dark room and I was like, okay, I kind of see rabbit. Now comes some difficult parts. I'm very nervous about this next part. That is the rest of the eyes. I think I have to put the contacts in next, because I am not gonna be able to put them on when I have the lashes on. I'm already really afraid to put them on now that I have eyeshadow on. So the girl in the photo has 2 of the fully white gridded contacts. I do have those, but because it's gonna be at my party and it's probably gonna be a little bit darker, I'm gonna put 1 fully graded one and then 1 round white in it. You just see my pupil. I think it might give a creepier effect too. And then just so I can see what I'm doing with the rest of my makeup and everything. Here we go, guys. I've struggled a little bit with these contacts, but I've gotten them in. We're gonna see how long this takes me. I'm so scared I'm gonna mess up everything. Yeah, I might need to come back. I'll be back with creepy eyes, okay? Now on to the next scary part. The lashes. I'm afraid they're gonna be too big. You know, I know I have to cut them already. My eyes are just teeny tiny. I only like to do half lashes just because, like I said, my eyes are so small. I'm gonna let those sit and dry a little bit. My card was full. I was trying to get rid of stuff. While that happened, I just glued the eyelashes on. I am gonna put the mascara on with my white eyeliner. So we're gonna see how this works. Hopefully it does. I think it's working. Hell yeah. I also did this little corner crease thing because I thought it would look good. As much as a struggle this has been, it's not that bad. There might be some things that I still change for sure. That's why we always test out our costumes before. Whoa! So, you know what that means. Okay, let me get the wig. Hopefully she looks good with our little cuts that we did when we went to the hair salon earlier. This is ridiculous. I hope you're enjoying. If you're enjoying seeing me do this, please like and subscribe down below. This is the funniest thing I think I've ever done, and I love it. I love it, and I want to know if you guys will love it as well. Let me know if you prefer this over the haunted stuff. Maybe next year I'll do this as well. But I want to do what you guys want, so let me know down below. It's wig time. Oh, I look like a ghost. Oh, I do like the wig. I think we fixed the wig up pretty good, right? And then we're gonna do, it'll be a messy bun for sure. That's to be a little rabbit tail. Is it cute or is it stupid? Okay, let me put on the rest of the look and I will be back. All right, are you ready? Are you ready to see the full fit? I'm so excited. I think it turned out really well, actually. He doesn't sound like that. That's more like Mad Hatter vibes. I don't know. What time is it? Guys, I love this. I think it turned out a little better than I thought. I'm really, really happy. Here is a little preview of the living room. I'm not done yet. I did do this crazy ceiling, which again also isn't done yet, but I think this is pretty good. I think this is me. I'm the white rabbit. Okay, I am not done yet, but I don't know if I'm gonna get a chance to like really film it while there's like no one here and it fully be done. I'm pretty much done, but I'm gonna just show you. So, and there's still a little mess, so just ignore it. Here we are. Here's an overview of my living room. All this stuff is obviously gonna be moved. I have to vacuum in here, so the trash has to go out. But here is my card wall as a backdrop for people to take photos. We got some hanging cards. I had a lot of my friends come over and help me, so I am gonna say thank you, special shout out to my friends. So we have some dangling cards so people can take pictures. I have a little game. I have a scavenger hunt. So if you want, you can read that. And they get a little fun prize at the end. I have some lights over here. I have this really, really fun circus-like ceiling. I don't know if that's like exactly what I should have done for an Alice in Wonderland, but I thought it was really fun. I mean, look at that. Look at that. And I got some spider webs. Here's my sorry excuse for Cheshire Cat. It's too bright right now. It says, let's get spooky. It's kind of bad. I kind of hate it, but it's fine. And then I got a bunch of like mushrooms. I got dice. This is my friend's belt. I put this sideways because I really needed something on the wall. I don't love it, but it's the day of the party, so I can't really do anything about it now. So then you walk into the kitchen. Here we are. Here is the entranceway right here. I have a thing of cards. I put some fake blood all along the ceiling over here. The food table is not done. These are the prize for when you win the scavenger hunt. I filled them up with different drinks. So I put edible glitter in them. So they're like little potions. Here is my tea wall. I just put all this blood up here dripping. I have to somehow add my creepy rabbit up. I don't have anything too crazy outside. Oh, I guess I do. Let me fix it real quick. Got a dead Mad Hatter. It's really bad. I don't really care at this point. We got some creepy cloth, have some lights. I have my little seating area. I made these really bad mushrooms. People could take pictures there. I don't know. Maybe they're not that good, but it's a background for the pong table. And then the most exciting part, I think, of this whole thing is, in fact, the rabbit hole. Whee! I'm so happy with how this turned out. My friends really, really helped me with this. So I put a mirror here. So when you're like waiting for the bathroom or something, you can like take selfies. I saw someone do this on TikTok and I was like, I'm doing that. I love it. So I put flowers and cards and I put some shoes up. I have some mirrors here, big clock, just everything. The door is closed because I put stuff on all the doors too. This is my door, so that will be locked, and I have stuff on here too, but this one might be open because there's gonna have to be people in my studio. But yeah, this is the hallway. So obviously I think people are gonna want to take pictures in here. That was the hope and the goal. Like I said, there is still so much stuff. I still kind of need to do like little bits of things everywhere. I'm gonna try and film at the party, see what happens. So my hair is really crazy. I just need to start getting ready. But yeah, wish me luck at my Halloween party 2025.
is Halloween. It's rather spooky, some would say. But you know what? We got good times. Are we woke? We're woke as fuck.
Like 20 times, Gary. What else do you want?
He wants the attention.
What else do you want? Love and compassion.
That one's a classic.
And ew.
It's bothering me.
This is the end of the night crew. Yo.
I'm about to go to sleep.
Yeah, and we got a pizza box. Woo! There's the aftermath of the party.
It's really not that bad.
Well, because we had a lot of people help, which was very, very nice. I had a lot
Shout
of
out Death Wish for coming back to the party to clean up.
Yes. So yeah, I lost my ears, but yeah, this was it.
I broke it.
Queen of
I
Halloween.
broke
You
it.
did. It's so fun. Woo!
Is that going up on the official Becca Lynn YouTube channel?
Someone fully destroyed this guy.
This poor guy.
They were literally killing
Ribs
him.
are broken.
They were
Oh my god, they really. Connor made me a special Becca Lynn dance. So he's gonna showcase it. He's gonna show it to Nanette.
Yeah.
And then maybe they can do it together. Okay.
This is the Becca Lynn dance.
Like
Becca
a fucking
Lynn.
pacer test guy.
Hey!
This is the Becca Lynn dance. Becca Lynn. Becca Lynn.
You think you can do that, Nanette?
Yes, I think so.
Okay.
Becca Lynn. Becca Lynn.
We gotta do the other leg, go, Nanette. Thanks, Connor. Yeah. Ow!
Oh, my bad.
Camera.
I'm sorry.
Time to go to bed. I gotta take these contacts out. So there you have it, guys. There is my Halloween one of my multiple Halloween costumes. If you haven't, go follow me down on my Instagram. I have that linked down below. I have done a couple other costumes as well that I'm sure that I have posted. And I have one that's coming out on Halloween. So make sure you are following me so you see everything that I've done this year. It is my favorite time of year, if you couldn't tell from what I look like right now and my house. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you could, please like and subscribe down below. Also, make sure you comment and let me know if this is more the vibe you're wanting from me during Halloween time. But thank you. I love and appreciate you guys as always. And happy Halloween. Bye, guys.